Do we have to wake up?
No.
What do we have to do?
Lay down.
Lay down, and what else?
And wake up.
And then wake up, and then what happens?
Santa comes.
What does he do? What does Santa do?
Put it in coffee.
He puts presents in our stockings?
Uh-huh.
Then what?
Put it in under Christmas tree.
Under the Christmas tree too? And then what? And then do we get to open them?
Yes. After Christmas.
Yay!
After Christmas. After Christmas. After Christmas.
Do you like Christmas?
First Christmas.
We need to work on our shyness, Joe.